And what this does, this is the called we say recoater or something else we say. That planizer we can say. So it moves the powder to this tray, this bed. This is the bed. This is the bed size.
That's the bed size. This is
the bed size. Okay. So what happened is this there is a cartridge. This is the cartridge.
Okay, you are putting this cartridge.
Yeah.
57.
This is 111. This is 57. This is 57. This is 11. So in 11 the binder goes by here. Inside there is a tube, and from this is the binder. What I said.
Oh, ऐसे लगा दिया आपने.
Yeah, correct. Okay. So what happens through this? It comes to your tube.
One bottle is there. This is
already is there.
It will be go and fix it.
Fix it. Yes.
Okay. Need not to pour
and
anything.
under that, no. Under that there is a reservoir. Once you put, it goes to the reservoir.
When it will exhaust, how will it come to know?
No, it says.
It says.
It gives an indication. Yes. There is a sensor in the reservoir. Once it comes to that level, it says please put the binder. Yes. That automatically goes to the reservoir. Like tanks we can say, petrol tank. But you put a cartridge. When the tank is full, it doesn't go.
So it will blink something, light.
No, it gives an error. In the display it says please put the binder. Okay. And even your software says the whatever material is there, it's not sufficient. Please replace this. It says that.
Okay.
So when you give a print, when you say build and estimate, it says how much required of powder, how much required of liquid, how much time it takes, everything it says. So accordingly you can plan your print. Even this machines, not only this, any professional printers, it is worth for, you can print even night.
Okay.
If your power is good, reliable, if AC has been running, no issues, nobody will switch off or something, lock it, switch on the AC, put a print, all the clothes, go. Next day morning, yes, once the job is finished, it will be there, ready, come next day.
Take the fragile material.
You can remove the powder slowly, then take the part, keep it inside, do the post-pass, finish it. So that is possible. Suppose you are going maybe 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, you know you want to give a print and you want to do it. Give the print, you see for some time, starting time, then close it and you can move on. It's going on printing. It's not going to stop unless if there is any issues on power or something else.
What is the rate of printing? 1 hour per thickness something?
Okay, sir. I'll show you. Sir. I'll show you a part and I'll tell you how much time it took to print. This printed and all, we'll tell him how to replace it.
Okay.
I'll tell to one user how to put it, because if all of them start putting, it will be a problem.
I have especially
and this is a vacuum tube here. Okay. This is a vacuum tube. Okay, whatever powder is spreading inside. So once the part has been filled, you see it will be there. The bed will be down. Maybe your size is bigger. The bed will be too much down. So powder will be filled. Part will be inside. So, but you should be aware where the part is. The person who is giving regular prints, he will be knowing it. If you put it in that side, it will be here. If you put in this side, he knows. So be careful on your part where it is. Clean it like this. So it sucks the powder. Once it's rest of the powder. Once you know little bit part is there, take a brush. Everything is being given by this small machine. Actually, even engineer not required to bring tools. That is how this company gives materials. So there is a brush. Slowly clean on your part and then take the material. So same way you do full, and once you know that the part is free, if it is catchy, don't do that. Don't pull it. Definitely it get break. Further you loosen. Once you see that it is moving, then carefully take that, keep it inside. And then you start taking other parts. So once it's everything through, fully you can clean the bed. So it will be faster. Suppose if it's a small part and you forget to brush it or do it, just you upload it. It goes inside here. It will be in this. Okay, but you will not get your part proper. Definitely you would have broken. You would have broken. Okay. Anyway, we'll teach him how to remove it, all these things we'll tell him. So once anything happens, you can call him so that he will do it. And this should be fixed here, always. It should not be taken out. And it should not be kept out, always put it inside.
देखा देखा लिया।
Because if you put it outside, there is a possible of destroying this.
अभी भरा नहीं है, उसमें लगा हुआ है, वो लगा हुआ है जालीदार
So
बॉक्स
this
है
is the
इसलिए।
printer part. Anyway, from your system, this is the software. Anyway, where is Bala? Bala? Yeah. So this is the part software side. Okay. So this is the bed. Already he has put some Ganesha inside. You can see that. Some Ganeshas he has put around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 Ganeshas he has put. So this somebody has to scale, scaling and all. Yes, it is all are possible. You can do scaling here. When it goes to this all we'll teach to 1 or 2 person, whoever wants to do it. So you can give the STL file, he will take care of it. Because all of them sits and doing it, maybe you can learn it. So all are Windows based only. So if you go and keep the mouse, it's going to say what it is. So you can read it out and do it. But still.
Lower left hand side window is suggesting that we can put at least one more layer of Ganesha.
No, this is, you can see what
Lower or
here.
no, not left side lower.
No.
One more layer of.
This is a different version. Top view you are seeing it. Not in this direction. So here you can't put part.
What is auto name?
This is called a 3D print. Okay, so from this software, you are printing. So the print starts, print comes. Once print comes, you have to put it here in the part.
इसमें dimension आ रहा है कितना लंबा चौड़ा.
Yes. See, this is the part we got it already. You can see it. Okay, this has been already printed. This and this part. This part has been printed already. The computer port which we have printed now. Okay, I think further it's big. Okay, so this what we have done is we have done a cleaning also for this part. This part took around 30 minutes to print this part.
That means the thickness of the layer 30 minutes. Suppose if our entire bed is full, again it will take 30 minutes only.
Yes. Yes.
That is a layer.
As Sal is telling, it will not take 30 minutes, it takes a little bit higher, but the time will be very lesser if you occupy full bed.
Full bed.
Because as he said, spreading is same time, it has to spread full layers. So that will happen one, and same with that the cartridge has to move full direction X and full come. So